friends, in this video I'm just going to display a very powerful tool that which has a display and one it has a slider. So when you slide, then the display will display the index and it is going to be 1 to 100 kind of. So the slider represents a numerical value. So for this I create the object of QLCD number, and this is the LCD, and I call the sliders objects I create, and then can be called as Q slider. So two objects I'm creating. One is Q LCD number and other is Q slider. Now I can place the slider in the horizontal form. You can also write Qt dot vertical if you want the slider to be displaced in the vertical box. Since we have two elements only, so I'll better go for the V box. So I'll create one object called the Q V box, VB box layout, and then I will add these two elements into it one by one. So now I'll write vbox dot add visit and add visit, and then I'll pass I'll pass my QLCD object LCD, and then I'll pass my slider object vbox dot add visit SLD, and then I will put the self dot set layout and pass the vbox object vbox, and then the set geometry SLD dot display. Yes, because it has to be displayed. So SLD dot value change, whenever sliders value will be changed, so slider dot value change, this is the event, and this will trigger and give you the data that is called the LCD dot display. So the connect function that you can directly pass on to the LCD dot display. So just slide and the value change will be displayed on the LCD dot display. Then here we'll write that the SLD, this is done, we don't need this because yeah, it's already there. So set geometry, set window, set self dot self geometry, self set window title, and now here I run. I think it's going to be wonderful. So see, it's displaying 0 right now. This is my QLCD, and now slider, I'm sliding it. So 15, yes, 99, 0. So how wonderful, beautiful. Just subscribe to our channel.